Today, we're visiting a very special construction site where the vehicles not only work hard but can also talk and have warm hearts. Are you ready? Let's begin. Far away, beyond a small town, there was always a bustling construction site. There, a group of vehicle friends worked together. Bulldozer strong and patient, always leading the toughest tasks. Dump truck quick and always zipping back and forth, carrying dirt and rocks. Crane the biggest and strongest on the site, lifting heavy loads. Excavator the smallest of the group, but very skillful and precise. Every day, the vehicles worked hard, helping the town become more beautiful. But then, something big happened. One day, the sky suddenly darkened. Strong winds blew and dark clouds gathered. Boom, a lightning bolt flashed and heavy rain began to pour. It rained all night. When the sun finally rose the next morning, the construction site was shocked to see the main road leading into town had collapsed. Huge rocks blocked the path. Mud made the road too slippery for vehicles to pass. But even worse, a family of little bunnies was trapped on the other side of the hill. The baby bunnies called for help. "We can't get home, the road has collapsed. Please help us, trucks." The vehicles looked at each other. They all knew they had to help, but this was not an easy task. They set off together. Let's see how these hardworking vehicle friends tackle the challenge. The bulldozer moved forward, pushing mud to the sides, but the mud was too slippery, and its wheels started to skid. The dump truck tried to carry the dirt and rocks away, but the road was so bad that it couldn't move as fast as usual. The crane tried to lift the giant rocks off the road, but they were too heavy, even for the strongest among them. "We need more help," said the crane. Everyone turned to the excavator, but the little excavator remained still. "I don't think I can do it," he whispered. Just then, a huge boulder started to roll down. It was about to block the road forever. If no one stopped it, the bunny family would never get home. The excavator saw his friends giving their best effort. He knew he had to do something. Gathering all his courage, he rushed forward. His bucket quickly grabbed the boulder, stopping it from rolling further. "I need help," he shouted. Immediately, the crane hooked onto the boulder to secure it. The dump truck hurried to remove the dirt around it. The bulldozer smoothed the ground to create a clear path. Bang, the boulder was removed. The excavator panted but beamed with pride. "I did it," he cheered. With the boulder out of the way, the team quickly got back to work. The dump truck carried dirt to fill in the road. The bulldozer flattened the surface so vehicles could drive safely. The crane lifted large logs to reinforce the roadside. Before long, the road was open again. The bunny family happily hopped across. "Thank you so much, trucks," one little bunny squeaked with joy. The excavator looked down at his muddy wheels. He had once thought he was too small to help, but today he realized no one is too small to make a difference. Did you enjoy this story? Remember, when we work together, no challenge is impossible to overcome.